Hello everyone, welcome to Ashok IT. Let's understand what is Java. Java is a programming language and that was first released by Sun Microsystems in 1995. Java is one of the most powerful languages in the world. It is used for developing a wide range of applications, from simple desktop programs to complex, large-scale enterprise web applications. Java is so popular language in the world because of its features. Let us see what are those features. Java has a simple and easy-to-learn syntax that makes it a great choice for beginners. Java is an object-oriented programming language, which means that it represents concepts as classes and objects with data fields and methods. Java programs are compiled to bytecode, which can be run on any device that has a Java Virtual Machine (JVM). This makes Java code portable, meaning it can run on any device that has a JVM, regardless of the underlying hardware and software. Java slogan "Write once, run anywhere" (WORA). That means once we write Java program, we can execute that program in any machine. Java has built-in support for multi-threaded programming, which means that you can write programs that can perform multiple tasks concurrently. Java is designed to be secure, with features such as static type checking and a security manager to help prevent malicious code from being run on a device. Java has a number of features that help make it robust, including exception handling and automatic memory management. Java is a dynamically typed language, which means that the type of a value is checked at runtime rather than at compile time. Components of Java programming language. A Java programmer writes a program in a human-readable language called source code. These computers or chips understand only one thing, which is called machine language or binary language. However, we need to convert our source code into machine-understandable code to execute our program. All these functionalities happen inside the following three Java platform components. 1. JDK. 2. JRE. 3. JVM. Java Development Kit (JDK) is a software development environment used for developing Java applications. JDK contains following components: JAR compiler, debugger tools and utilities like Java, JA, Javadoc, etc. Note: you need to install the JDK on your computer in order to develop Java applications. What is JRE? Java Runtime Environment (JRE) is a software package that provides a runtime environment in which Java applications can be executed. JRE consists of the Java Virtual Machine (JVM), which is the core component of the JRE, and a set of libraries and other files that support the execution of Java programs. Note: you need to have the JRE installed on your computer in order to run Java applications. What is JVM? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It will take care of Java programs execution. It will convert bytecode into machine code. JVM is core component of JRE. How Java programs will execute? Let's understand Java program execution flow. First we need to write source code. Then compile source code using Java compiler. It will generate bytecode. Run bytecode using JVM. It will convert bytecode into machine understandable code. It will produce the result, output. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.